Hello everyone, Jessica here, your Facebook advertising expert. Now, whether you click the boost button or you use Facebook Ads Manager, chances are you have entered in specific interests and demographics to try and target your Facebook ads to your ideal client. Now, in 2020, Facebook advertising and digital advertising has gone beyond just using people's demographics, such as age, sex, relationship status, where they live, how much money they earn, etc. Targeting your ads on Facebook to your ideal client is a little bit like a dating profile. Before we reach out and send that little message saying, hello, I'm here, get to know me, we want to know our ideal clients' likes, dislikes, and whether they like pina coladas and dancing in the rain. You see, Facebook's ability to target people via their interest is really what sets it apart from other digital advertising platforms. Of course, you can show your ads to people between this age and that age and who live here and are married or are in a relationship, or, you know, by their demographics, or perhaps they have a family and children. Of course, you can target those, but everybody is doing it. And those demographic targeting makes your ads more expensive because everyone's doing it. And when everyone uses the same thing, the prices for those ads go up. It's when we enter our specific interests into either your boosted posts, or if you're using Ads Manager, when you can really get creative and really get specific about who your ideal client is and who you want to see your ads. When we get really specific and really creative, that's when your ad spend reduces and your relevancy increases. When you enter in people's interests, either on a boosted post or using Ads Manager, this is called interest targeting or detailed targeting, or sometimes it's called saved audience, just to make it a little bit more confusing for you. Where businesses go wrong is that they're just using demographics, or they use very little interests, or they use the interests that Facebook suggests. They're not diving deeper into who their ideal client is and what they're really interested in. In the meantime, I have a freebie that will help you to read the dating profile of your ideal client. It's a list of questions that, if you can answer, will definitely help you with researching what interests to enter when you're doing your next Facebook ads. So visit my website, guys, and download that free questionnaire. It is actually step 1 in my 5-step research process. Until next week.